Hey guys, thank you for tuning in for a video. This video is going to be for everyone who wants to wear makeup but just doesn't have the time. This will be the basic everyday makeup in 5 minutes that any woman anywhere can do in a car, in a bathroom, sitting on a bed. You can do it anywhere. And I'm going to show you how to do it in 5 minutes. And yes, I'm going to try to capture this in real time so that we can see if it's actually 5 minutes or if it's more. Let's see. To keep your makeup routine under a certain amount of time, you got to figure out what steps are important to you and what products you're going to use to help create that look and quickly. I choose my eyes, eyebrows, blush bronzer, and my lips. If you want more in-depth tips, download my free ebook. I always link my ebook in every description box. Now that I got that out the way, I really want to share something with y'all. I've always known I wanted to share tutorials, but I just didn't know exactly the format of the videos I wanted to go with. I've been really thinking about it for like the last couple years or so, and then I had a thought. Maybe it was God, maybe it was me. I'm not sure yet, but the thought was to share inspiration and Bible scriptures. Everyone has seen so many tutorials, so me telling y'all like what to do, how to do it, what to buy, what you doing wrong, how you want to get your makeup to last this long, and da 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 ba ba ba. It's just a lot of rah rah that I'm not really interested in doing anymore. I'm not opposed to doing one-on-one lessons, but over a video, nah, I don't want to do that no more. So, the Bible scripture that I want to share with y'all comes from John 15 and 16 out of the Good News Bible version. You did not choose me. I chose you and appointed you to go and bear much fruit, the kind of fruit that endures. And so the Father will give you whatever you ask of him in my name. This scripture reminds me that God is a great father and he takes care of his children. It also reminds me that he cares about how we're doing and if we're being productive or not. That all he wants to do is just see his children win. What thoughts come to mind when you hear that scripture? And how do you think you'd use this in your everyday life? Let me know in the comments. I hope that you guys enjoyed my version of beauty tutorials. And remember that it's you that makes you beautiful. And I'll see you in the next one.